In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to normalize comparisons in Google Trends fast and easy. Google Trends is an incredibly powerful tool that can offer insights into the popularity of search terms over time. But to make the most of it, we need to know how to effectively normalize comparisons. Let's dive right in, starting with navigating to the website. First, you'll want to go to Google Trends, which you can do by simply typing in Google Trends into your search engine. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the home page that's filled with interesting data visualizations and suggested topics. This will be our control center for everything we're about to do. Once at Google Trends, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed at the top. You'll want to go ahead and type in a specific keyword that you are interested in exploring further. For example, let's type in coffee. The results will load quickly, providing you with insights about this keyword's search popularity over a selected time frame. Now, after you've analyzed the initial results for coffee, it's time to broaden your horizon by adding a comparable keyword. In this example, we're going to try tea. This comparison is crucial, as it helps us understand how these two keywords stack up against each other in terms of search interest. Just navigate to the Add Comparison button right next to the original search term and type in tea as the new term. Instantly, you'll notice a new line appearing on the graph representing the search interest for tea over the same time period. To get a broader view, you can add additional keywords to the mix. This is especially useful if you are analyzing a broader category, such as drinks. So go ahead and keep adding keywords by following the same process. This will give you a comprehensive outlook over a wider array of terms, making your analysis even more robust. The next step is to normalize the data. On the Google Trends interface, you will see several filters including targeting, time period, categories, and location. These are essential for refining your query to make the data more contextually relevant. Adjust the time frame to suit your needs, whether it's the past day, week, month, or year. Select the location that pertains to your intended audience or study area. Categories can also be chosen to narrow down search terms to specific domains, providing a layer of specificity that enhances your analysis. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can make well-informed, normalized comparisons using Google Trends. Remember, the key is in how the data is presented and interpreted, allowing you to uncover valuable insights into search behaviors and trends. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial both informative and easy to follow. Happy analyzing!